Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Fear the Walking Dead Season 6, Episode 14. Before beginning, I'm gonna make a short intro today because I don't have a lot of time, and to be totally honest with you, I don't want to spend a lot of time making this video. I had a rough day. I told you about it on Twitter, even if, you know, I'm trying to find positive stuff even into the dark. Still, it was a complicated day. I had medical appointments and the results were not good. It's not a big deal, it's not something that can't be repaired, so don't worry about that. It's just things which are lasting since a long time, which are gonna continue for a long time, which are gonna be complicated for a long time, but everything can be repaired. But that's why, you know, it put me into that kind of mood, and after that I had, not me, I did not have an accident, but an old lady had an accident just next to my car, so I stopped to help her, to wait for the emergencies with her. I spent entire minutes, like 30 minutes with her, to talk with her and all, and it was sad and she was really hurt, and you know, at the end, and also that was really not good at all, you know, how it was looking. I was trying to make her talk, so she was gonna stay conscious, you know, for the emergencies, to have her names, to have informations about her in case, you know, she would be unconscious when the emergencies will come. So, you know, I was trying to reassure her, so I was making bad jokes, really bad jokes, but it made her loss because it was really stupid ones. I was muting, you know, my emotions. I was already not okay because of the medical appointments that I had. Just before that, like 10 minutes before that, I was going out of this appointment. And that happened, and really her face, she was not aware, you know, she was not conscious about how bad it was. So I was really trying to not make her worry too much, but to still tell her to stay right there because she wanted to leave, go back to her house like it was okay. No, it was not. But I didn't want her to be too worried, so I was making terrible jokes, so I was muting my emotions, which were high, and I was trying to calm myself. But after that moment I was like, really, what you lived and all, it's telling you to calm down, your situation is not so bad. You know, I have this at the end of the day rule, which is for me really important. When bad things are happening, you know, I'm really sitting like that with myself, and I'm like, at the end of the day, what? Okay, that thing happened, she was hurt, but I was there with some people, they didn't stay, but people were there to help her. I stayed with her until the emergency guys came. They took her, they're gonna help her. I was able, you know, to tell them important informations about her health, about her family. I knew that her son was not living so far away, that she had the number, but she didn't want to call him because she didn't want to worry him and all. You know, I was able to do that for her, and she's gonna be okay, she's gonna be helped. And me, okay, for some times, for some months, the situation is continue to be complicated, but I'm young and it's something that can be repaired. So at the end of the day, everyone is okay, everyone is gonna be okay. I said that I was gonna make a short intro. All of that to tell you that I'm into that kind of mood, you know, even if I'm trying to find positive stuff, I have some trouble still, you know, to be excited and all like usually. Really, when I came back home, I changed and put the most comfortable clothes. Like you can see that I have a jogging, I have a pure, really with all into it. I'm not respecting you with my clothes today, I'm sorry for that. it's raining a lot, but someone is walking on my roof, which is making a lot of noise. Normally that person is not gonna come right now to work because it's raining too much, but maybe I'm gonna be forced to cut this video because of him, you know. I'm not gonna tell him to stop working. So I know that this video is gonna be a mess. Maybe I know that I'm not into the good mood, you know, to react to the show. No worries, you know me, I'm fully invested into it, but to make long intros and long reviews, maybe it's too much to ask me right now to do it. So, you know, during this intro I'm not gonna talk about the show, the last episode and all. I'm gonna keep my thoughts about the show, what I think about the characters right now, about my series, if I evolved or not with my series and all of that. I'm gonna keep all of that for the review. For this episode I don't know with who we're gonna be because I'm not watching trailers for episodes. Because of the last ones, it would be interesting to be with Charlie. I'm saying it since a long time. With Strand also, it would be interesting to go back to see if Alicia is okay. That's it. Really, I'm thinking about these three characters. To follow them, to be with them could be really interesting in my opinion. Or maybe to come back with Daniel. You know that I'm not believing that he's going crazy. I think that someone is trying to trap him. I want to know who. Let's go for this episode 14. Oh, I didn't say it since a long time. For Fear the Walking Dead, I have a Patreon on which you can find the reaction videos earlier during the day for Fear the Walking Dead, and also with extended reaction part. I never put a full reaction part for this show, but at least you have an extended reaction part, which means almost, you know, 5 or 6 minutes longer reaction part. You can be interested by that and also to support me. Let's go for this episode 14. And I'm sorry for this intro. I think that I needed to tell all of that directly to someone. I told you that on Twitter, but I wrote it, you know, I told it to my family, but it was by phone. I think that I still need to talk about it. That was a weird day. A complicated one, a weird one. I don't know what DOC is, but we know that you are crazy, that you were in jail. Who is she? Someone that you killed?
Remember, the end is the beginning. You're about to be given a new life. You actually believe all that bullshit?
You were already, yes, into that bullshit. Oish. Oh. Deaths are coming! You did it before, you can kill someone.
I was right.
Who is she?
I was right. I just needed to be patient.
Oi oi! Alicia!
You have lived this moment before. We don't want to believe that, do we?
Don't let him enter into your head. We know the badass queen that you are. Show us that you're strong also like them.
To accept his word.
Ah! It stopped.
I was locked up myself once.
So you told everyone that you were in jail?
It would yield the same revelation to you. Oh, this place has served its purpose, but we needed something safer, sturdy.
Is it something again under the ground? It would go well with my theory about you
I need something
doing a nuclear explosion or a big radiation thing, you know.
She's never gonna see the truth. Riley. It's in this, right here. Let's leave her behind. No. No. She's coming.
What? What are you doing to these people to manipulate them? And I was almost gonna say, I appreciate Riley's character, you know. I think that he's interesting. He was brainwashed. Maybe he can switch back. I don't know.
I have a personal matter to attend to. I want her to accompany me.
Are you jealous?
Now,
Dakota?
Alicia,
How?
Friend of yours?
You were with...
Why?
something that had to be done.
They let you leave?
Woman after my own heart. You hop in. You coming with us?
I'm not going
Ah!
anywhere.
Of course you're gonna be in love with Dakota. Your boss crazy. She could be
I'll be
a
fine.
good soldier for you.
Don't show up by tomorrow. You know what to do.
Again, I'm thinking a nuclear explosion or radiation
It
scene.
wasn't the last time either. I followed them on all their scouting missions as best as I could, hoping that you'd be on one of them, but you weren't. So I got in with them. I don't need your help.
I don't trust you to
I
help.
left after I heard what happened underground. Alicia, it's getting really bad. Morgan tried to bring everyone together. I think it's getting worse.
She's losing
I
up.
regret what I did. I need to, Alicia. Whether you believe me or not.
You're gonna join Teddy.
We can kill him. He is scary as hell, but he's old.
No, he's gonna manipulate
If
you.
he's stupid, there is no we here.
Mm.
There never will be.
I love how you are thinking, Alicia. Poor you, Alicia. Really? With the two crazy? Oh, my nightmare.
Stay.
The place I used to live.
Oh, with your mother. The place where you told me she grew the crops.
Stop
Universe and
trying
signs
to manipulate
and
her by using Madison.
Sue?
Sioux Falls is my favorite city in the Dakotas. But your arrival is for a reason.
What's that?
You want to see someone dead and buried? Nope! Don't do that!
Hello, Mother.
Mother.
Same, Alicia.
No, but that doesn't mean that she can't be part of our new beginnings.
You're gonna bring her with you?
When we're finished, all this will be gone.
Nuclear explosion for me.
All three of us have lost mothers. Accompany mine back to our new home.
Oi, oi.
And I wanted-
Alicia,
I told my
same.
mom, I thought I got it wrong. It was all for nothing. Needed to be patient. The world changed, and with it,
The deaths came.
my freedom, where I could preserve everything I loved and destroy everything I didn't.
You think you can do all that with barricades?
She's beginning to understand what I
I didn't
understood.
want.
Our future.
You're really starting to sound like my mom.
I'm sorry. He's playing so well, the crazy guy.
Here to help me get her back onto the truck.
I'm not gonna touch that thing. If I would be Alicia, I would say that.
Take that.
There are already a lot. Both of you girls can take care of this baby. Who the fuck are you?
Cole?
What?
Alicia?
What happened to you?
Mom, the only reason I ain't one of these skin bags. Your mother, huh? How's that for a sign?
Oh, kill me now.
We spent weeks looking for you all, and we didn't find you, but we just thought you must have died in the fire too.
Wait.
Doug, Viv, a bunch of us from the stadium were still around thanks to your mom.
You had hope that she might be still alive. You know that's why she asked the question.
Teddy's been stocking up on some supplies for a while.
Who is he? What's his deal?
I'm still trying to figure it out.
Unsavory types take whatever they want. I was out on a food run and ran into a bunch of them. Trying to get back to my people ever since. I know which roads to take.
You don't need to do that.
I believe he does. I am gonna need your gun though.
No.
I'm not handing anything to you.
All right. Hand it to her then. I'm beginning to trust you.
Don't accept. I trust Alicia, but I don't like, that he has the impression that he's in control and all that he's giving orders to people.
How long were you locked up?
Almost 30 years.
What did you do to get in there?
Uh-huh.
I killed some people.
I only killed people I had to.
You know
One of them.
He gave you a new
him.
name and you're making friends with him,
No.
comparing your lives and finding similarities between
When
them.
I tell people,
They're frightened by what you're saying because they know it's the truth. And you're right. It is the way of things now. This is it.
No! Dakota is gonna embrace Teddy's bullshit.
Take him out.
followers and setting up a place, a bunker, enough food to last for years.
I've been looking for a way to pay back the favor for what Madison did for me. Maybe, running into you, maybe this is it.
Can you please not die? You don't need to pay it with your life.
You remind me of her.
His mother?
Mother.
Oh,
My mother.
that's not a compliment at all. Ugh. Everything that he's saying and doing, I'm like, ew.
What you gonna do? You gonna join us underground?
Underground. Again, your new base is underground.